Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna film the part 3 of the Battle of the Juicy Lips, and I have 12 more lip glosses and lip oils in here. So I'm gonna rank them, I will tell you the prices, and I will insert some close-ups. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the one that is not my absolute favorite one, and by the way, I will link the other 2 videos down below and everything that I have on my face. So first of all, we have the Babe Glow Plumping Lip Jelly. This one, it is a plumping one. I do enjoy a product like this to prep my lips. Usually that's the way I'm using it, just to prep the lips for lipstick later. The applicator is a bit flimsy in my opinion. I am a bit scared that I will break it, and as well the closing of the product is not that great. The packaging looks cute, but is not the best quality. And another one that is, it's okay, but it's just too thin. It is a lip oil, so it is a classic lip oil formula. It is the Trigwell Cosmetics lip oil. This retails for $13 and I'm almost done with it. It's the shade Grape. It's nice, but it's not hydrating enough in my opinion. The packaging is cute and all of that, but I have a lot of product coming out from the sides, so it's not the best. Next we have the ABH lip gloss, and this one is not a bad one. That's the reason I didn't grade all of these compared to the other videos. It's just because they are pretty good in general. I don't have big fails in here, so because of that I decided to rank them just from least favorite to top favorite, but without the grades. So this is the ABH Glass Crystal Lip Gloss. This one is just a classic formula. It's nothing special about it. You can put it all over the lips for a more natural look, or you can of course put it over a lipstick and it will look good, but it's nothing special about it. So because of that I put it right here, and it is $20. Then we have 2 that are very similar, so I'm gonna talk about them at the same time because they are both kind of orangey shades. Let's start with the Catrice one because I will insert the video. This retails for $5. It is the tinted lip oil in the shade 30, Glow for the Show, and it is an orangey shade. This formula is nice. The packaging from the drugstore is not the best, but at least with these ones you pay a drugstore price. So I do enjoy both of them. This is the Essence Hydra Kiss lip oil. I have in here the shade 2 Honey. They are both pretty orangey shades. They are both pretty nice, and this one is $4. They are pretty hydrating and a bit thicker. It is a formula that I do enjoy. Then we have the Kiko lip gloss. This is $11. The Hydra gloss in the shade 17 is the one that I have. This one is very shimmery, which usually is not my absolute favorite one, and you can feel the shimmers just a tiny bit, but this is so beautiful on the lips. So it is a shimmery formula that I can appreciate. I can understand the hype with this product. It is really nice on the lips, so I will recommend you another one that is better in my opinion. But if you want a very shimmery lip gloss, this is the one. I think it is a really good formula overall, and it is beautiful. Then we have the Clarins Lip Perfector. This is $23, so it is a pretty expensive one. Not this one because it is a small one, the full size. This one is nice. It is a lip balm, so they say that it is a lip gloss. I don't think so. It is a lip balm in my opinion, and you have a bit of a color. It is a nice product. It is hydrating, but I do like another one a bit more, and this pinky shade is pretty cute. It doesn't look very pink on the lips, so it's nice overall. It's just pretty expensive for what it is, but I do appreciate it. Next we have the Dose of Colors lip oil, and this retails for $20, and I wouldn't call this one a lip oil really, because it is very pigmented, and I bought a very beautiful shade, but as well it is thick, so I wouldn't call this one a lip oil. I would call it a lip gloss. It is nice. Doesn't matter, lip oil, lip gloss. In my eyes, what it is important is the formula, and this one is hydrating, and this one looks nice on the lips, so I do really enjoy it. And a product that I like more, the balm that I was talking about, it is this one. I understand the hype, even though it is very expensive, so because of that it's not my absolute favorite product in general, but because we are ranking these and I want to be realistic. I do like this one better than the other ones. This one is pretty hydrating and it looks nice. So it is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. I have the shade, which shade are you? Vanilla. So I got the pretty much clear one. It is very beautiful and hydrating and it looks nice. It is a squeeze tube. I do like it. It is what it is, but I do have 3 that I like a bit more for different reasons. So we have the Natasha Denona lip gloss. It is my dream lip gloss. This one is so nice. It's just a very, very beautiful color. It's so comfortable and it looks so glam, but at the same time very wearable and very flattering. It's just a really good formula. It's not sticky, but it's not thin, but not sticky and goopy. It's really nice. This is $27. It is the most expensive one, but it is very flattering and very beautiful. On number 2, we have the Nimya lip gloss, and this is the shimmery formula of my dreams because it's a very interesting formula. It is milky. It has some shimmers, but you can't feel them, and they are not emphasizing anything. I don't think you will be able to see them in the close-up, but maybe like this you will be able to see it. It has some shine. It has some shimmers in it. The shade She Said What. This retails for $18, which I think it is a fair price. This packaging is very luxe and beautiful. This one is just, I really like it. And on spot number 1, we have the VIEVE Lip Dew Glossy Lip Oil. I really like the description of this one. It is a glossy lip oil. It is what it says, and it is pretty similar to the Sigma one, which is one of my favorites. So because of that, this is a really lovely one. And I have the shade Pesca in here. Again, I have a lot of oranges in here, but I do enjoy an orange lip. As you can see, this is pretty browny orangey as well. It's stunning, it's hydrating, but it looks so glossy and flattering, and you can't see a lot of lines. It's blurring in a hydrating way, and it has a giant applicator that I really enjoy. This retails for $25. It is right now in my project pan. I really enjoy it. So these are all the 12 lip glosses and lip oils. I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.